Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you a beginner's guide on how to use Audacity. Audacity is a free software, as you can see right here, that most persons use to record their audio, especially YouTubers. And you can download it on your laptop or PC or Mac, and it's completely free. The first thing that I would recommend you do once you have downloaded Audacity and you're about to start recording, you're going to hit the record button, but you're not going to say anything, as you want to record as quiet as a background as possible, as this will help you to remove background noise if there is any. So you want to record the first 5 seconds, let's say, without making any sound or anything like that. Once you have done that, you want to ensure that your microphone that you can see right here is selected, and you can hit the record button to start recording your audio. After you're finished recording your audio, you're going to tap on the effects icon right here, effect icon, and you're going to select noise reduction. And once you have selected noise reduction, it will highlight all of you. First of all, you're going to tap on select data yet, and you're going to select the entire track. Then you're going to tap on effect, and you'll select noise reduction. And with noise reduction, you're going to tap on get noise reduction, and that will use the first audio that you had recorded blank and copied. It will use that to remove any background noise. Unfortunately, I cannot give you a full breakdown or an example of that at the moment because I'm currently using it to record a video, but that's basically the explanation. And there are numerous other ways you can customize your audio with Audacity. I will do another video if you want on how to do that by increasing the bass or so on. But all of those features are in effect right here. You can play around with it, as all you'll need to do is record your audio, then hit stop, then you'll simply tap on select, and you will select all of the audio. Then I recommend that you tap on effect and you play around with the features right there to see which audio or which sound is to your liking. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.